we are standing in front of one of the most largest, one of the biggest hospitals in country, AIIMS, and we are just reviewing that if amphotericin B medicine is available at any of the medicine shops, any of the chemist shops right here or not. We are just talking to a few chemists. What kind of supply you are getting for amphotericin B? क्या मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है?
नहीं मिल रहा, अभी नहीं आ रहा, 3-4 दिन से स्टॉक आउट है.
So when you are expecting a supply of
अराउंड 3 and 4 days.
So what we are getting that there is no supply for amphotericin B, which is an antifungal drug. Actually, the black fungal disease, which is quite prominent in many of those who have recovered from COVID, they need these medicines, but these medicines are not available. We are just asking the same questions to different shopkeepers. Amphotericin B है आपके पास? टिल कब से ये आपके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है?
एक हफ्ता हो चला है.
So what they are telling that since last 1-2 weeks the medicine is not available in any of these shops. There are several shops. We are going one by one to each of them and will ask what kind of supply they are expecting in days to come. Do you have amphotericin B?
No, sir.
When you are expecting a supply of that?
Next 2-3 days, sir.
And it is out of stock since last 1 week or
Approximately 1 week.
and the demand is quite high these days.
Demand is really high right now.
So what they are telling that demand is high, but the supply is limited. Stockists are not providing them the medicine, and hence there is a shortage of medicine even at the most prominent Delhi hospital, which is AIIMS and Safdarjung. We are in between both the hospitals, and we are not getting amphotericin B, mind it, which is most important antifungal medicine in today's time. So this is the reality, and now you can just think that when a patient will require the medicine, where he or she will go to find it. The COVID cases has started coming in less numbers, but the black fungal disease, that is the most talked disease in post-COVID situation, and we are looking for a reality check at the RML hospital medicine shops that are these medicines available or not. We are talking to a few of the medicine shop owners. आपके पास क्या है amphotericin B का क्या situation है?
एक ही शॉप है, सिंगल है, नहीं है, सारे बताया ना आपको, एक हफ्ते से नहीं आ रही.
So what they are telling that these medicines, which are in fact antifungal medicines and are very important in the context of the black fungal disease, these medicines are now out of stock. We can ask a few more medicine shops, more chemist shops, that if they are also running out of the same medicine, because this is the salt which is required and which is being prescribed by the doctors in big numbers. While what is the scenario in their shop? क्या आपके पास amphotericin B है?
नहीं,
क्या प्रॉब्लम है amphotericin B?
आ नहीं रहा.
कब से ये ऐसा है?
अभी हो गया, कुछ समय हो गया है.
So what these shop owners are telling that the amphotericin B is out of stock now, and what we are learning from these shop owners that approximately 1 week it has happened that doctors have started writing the amphotericin B, and since the medicine is out of stock and not available in any of the shops, and we are standing at one of the most prominent medicine markets, which is near Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, which is the biggest, one of the biggest hospital in Delhi. Still, we are not finding amphotericin B. With camera person Pradeep Gupta, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.